What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The Civic passed smog with flying colors, so now we're officially underway to start this motor swap project. Today we're going to be pulling out the stock D16 to make room for our brand new, to us, JDM B16 motor with the transmission with LSD. If you want to follow our step-by-step guide on how to pull this motor out, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we'll be posting that video on our channel. But I'm Mark.
I'm Vince.
You're watching Origin Factory. Honda made it really easy to work on these motors, and it's like they wanted you to swap these things. Essentially, all we really need to do is disconnect the battery, unhook all the connectors,
The exhaust manifold, the shift linkage under the car,
disconnect the fuel lines, drain the fluids.
the vacuum lines, and some grounds and some other random things.
Yeah. All right.
Put that AC line in the way. All right, so while we have the radiator draining, we're gonna get under the car and start removing the shift linkage. Here we go. Oh God, oh my God, 30. 2, 3, okay, go.
With the fingers.
Oh shit, There it is. So this is the retainer clip that holds in the roll pin so the roll pin doesn't fall out. Now we have access to roll pin, and now we gotta punch it out with a hammer.
Yeah.
I have no space under here because the creeper, but I think I'd rather be on the creeper than on this dirty ass floor.
For real?
Bro, I did this in the freaking.
Oh shit, is your battery dying?
I don't know. Fuck this thing.
Oh God, no! That's the best way to look at it. I have a headlight, but it only does strobe.
I like it to feel like a rave.
Yeah, right.
Alright, back to removing the roll pin.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
There she goes. There you go. There you go. Now we're separated. And then that one just unbolts and then we're done. Yeah.
Just leave this done. Yeah. Prediction, bro. You think this is gonna come out first try?
Would be nice.
In a perfect world, it might just come out. Oh. Whoa!
Look at that.
Look at that. Boy.
Bada bing, bada boom, baby.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah. This thing's huge.
Hey! We got everything disconnected underneath the car. So the fluid's drained.
The AC compressor is off the block, the power steering is disconnected and off the side, radiator's out, hoses attached to the firewall.
All the brackets are out of the way. We're like a couple fuel lines, like a heater line away from getting there.
Good shift linkage is completely out, and I think it's time to hook up the cherry picker and pull this thing out. There it is. We're off on my side.
Fuel line.
Oh shit, fuel lines. Hold on.
We're like a couple fuel lines, like a heater line away from getting there.
Ready?
D16's finally out of the car. Now we can make way for the B16, clean the engine bay.
Then we gotta check all the other worn out things and see what else we have to replace.
So make sure you're subscribed to Origin Factory and don't forget to feed your fish.